Hello again guys! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, ang gagawin nating video is I'm going to share you how I do my eyebrows using this Mary Kay Brow Definer Pencil. Ayan. So Mary Kay Brow Definer Pencil in Brunette. Ito yung gagamitin natin for my eyebrows since I don't have my eyebrow makeup yet. If you're having hard time in making your eyebrows, for me, my technique is to outline first my eyebrows. So, yan. So, start natin dito sa my tail. I-outline natin dito sa my tail. Can you see it? Ayan. Hindi pala. Sorry. I will just use another. Yan. There. Outline lang natin dito. Dito, ayan. So, outline there. Until sa head niya. So, this is what we call the tail. This is the head. And so, outline first. And then, dito. Depende sa look na gagawin nyo kung pang night out or for pang everyday. Pwede naman tong pencil na to. Pwede siyang pang everyday. And, pwede naman tong pang night out. Ayan. So, for everyday, pwedeng ito na. Ganyan na yan. But, if you want to level it up, you can also use this pencil to level up your eyebrows. Ayan. So, ayan, so pwedeng ganyan na yan mga guys, mga ladies. Pwede nang ganyan yan. But, if you want to add more, ayun, parang mas precise, you can also get, ayan, ang tawag dito, concealer. Para mas pakak yung eyebrows niyo, you get a concealer. And then, there's a brush. There. Tapos, sa taas. Para mas maging precise yung look na gagawin. So, pwede yung iganyan para mas malinis tingnan yung eyebrows niyo. There you go. Alright guys, so that's it for your eyebrows. Ayan, so I think that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next vlog. Bye!